Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Overwatch 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Overwatch 2 game on your device. And after you have logged in, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, in order to change your control settings, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on Options. From the Options page, click on Controls at the top section. And now you will see the various different controls that are assigned within your game. Now, you can assign up to 3 different buttons for the same task. If you wish to assign a secondary option, just click on the empty area, and once you are prompted, you can press your desired new key. In order to change an already assigned button, you can simply click on the already assigned key. And once again, when you are prompted to press the new key, press your desired button right away. You can also unbind any key by hovering over to it, and then right-clicking using your mouse. Now, by this method, you can customize all of your controls to whichever buttons you wish. And once you are done, make sure to save your changes, and then you can go back to start enjoying your game with your customized controls right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize the control settings on the Overwatch 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.